Okay. Looks like it is live. Cool. Very nice. Looking good. It is looking good. All right, guys. Today we'll be looking at Manjaro 20.1. Heard that this is the only operating system that actually recognizes the RTX cards, the 30 series graphics cards from NVIDIA out of the box, and it is correct. It is running out of the box in full screen 1440p for me, but for you guys are seeing it in 1080p resolution. So I've every other operating system distro I've tried, like Linux Mint, um, Feren OS, and all the others. I even tried getting Garuda Linux to boot the live environment, but I had no chance of even getting into the live environment because it just kept on freezing or crashing and getting into the live environment. So it looks like Manjaro is the only so far that I've tried to get onto the live environment fully without having display issues using the 3070 RTX series card in my system anyways. I've always tried that issue where if the card is too new, some of the operating systems may not work functionally properly if they don't have the latest drivers, display drivers to officially like recognize the card right away because it doesn't have the latest GPU drivers. Um, so far I have no issues. They just boot up right into the live environment. I tried the Arctic Architect version of Manjaro, but obviously my capture card did not want to see that. Obviously, because it wasn't a fully visible environment, so I figured that that's not a problem. But I know it works just fine. So yeah, it's looking like it's working very nice. There's no issues so far. With the latest drivers, the kernel 5.9 release. They also needed the updated they added. I think the XFCE was also updated. It looks like very nice. The graphics drivers seems to be very fluid. Let's see here. Drivers. Looks like it. Let's see what version this is using right now. Wow, it's using 455 out of the box. This is the only distro I've seen that uses 455 NVIDIA drivers out of the box. I've never seen any other distro do this so far, and that is fantastic. Wow, that's something. I give Manjaro a clap here, ladies and gentlemen, or a handshake if you ever can in the future. Just kidding. So yeah, it looks like they use 455 right out of the box in their live environment. That's why I was able to get the full resolution. A lot of these distros that I've seen do not use 455 straight out the box. They use the still 390. They use the 390 driver version, I believe, still, or something like that. Something around the 300 driver version ish, which is really quite sad to see that there still a lot of operating systems are still using for 390 or whatever driver version to boot into the live environment. But I guess because a lot of people don't have the 30 series graphics cards, a lot of people wouldn't have this kind of problem like I have with a lot of distros right now, where none of them will want to be in full screen, or they just crash going into live environment if they don't have the 455 driver. Um, so yeah, right now so far, then Manjaro's basically the only one that has it running out of the box, which is nice. So far, it looks like the audio things are also running really well. It looks like the audio is also working, which is great. Um, I wonder if I can do virtual outputs, virtual hardware output. Okay, cool. So I wonder if I can configure it so it can send my desktop audio to my capture card as well later on when I install it. Because I feel like this seems to be more of a stable distro than Feren OS that I've tried so far. The last few days or a couple days when I installed Feren OS live for you guys. Well, I tried installing it live for you, but I wasn't able to because it wasn't displaying the display at 100 native resolution, so my capture card couldn't capture my installation of Feren OS because the graphics drivers weren't up to date. So I'm going to install Manjaro OS over Farron just because it feels like this seems to be more of a stable um, distro, as I can see here. The audios are working right out of the box. When I tried it Farron OS right out of the box, it was there. Some of the audio wasn't working properly. I would have to log out and log back in just to capture all the audio, and that's going to be really annoying over time. So yeah, so let's get this installation on underway, shall we? Let's get this installation going. Welcome to 20.2.1. So this is a little bit of an updated version of 20.1. It's just a 20.2.1, which is for the 455 drivers, I believe, and some minor tweaks. Other than that, it's basically 20.1. So we are going to, where are you? Where are you? There we go. That's where I am. Canada. Yes. We're gonna replace. We're gonna replace the partition. There we go. Feren OS. We're gonna get rid of you, buddy, because you are one hell of a poo poo, and you don't want to listen to my audio stuff because the audio is not wanting to listen. This is a problem with Feren OS. It just does not want to listen. So we're gonna do Linux Squad as um ls as the username, and then we're gonna do Linux. Oh, we can't do. Let's be all lowercase. Linux Squad as the username, and we're gonna just do the update. I'm gonna install this login automatically. Use the same password as administrator password. For right now, I will change that. Oh, so they added the LibreOffice or the free office. I'm probably gonna go with free office. It looks like it's more of a close modern to Microsoft, so I will just do with that. Looks good. Yes. Set the keyboard generic. Install. Fantastic. Deleting that partition. No more Feren OS. I will obviously install Fallout 3 and stuff just the way it was before with the DLL and stuff. So we can play some more Fallout 3 later on, or Fallout New Vegas, not a problem. So far, it's creating the partition. Everything's running just fine. No issue. Looks like everything's working just fine out of the box. I don't know why, but Manjaro is always the one that worked out of the box, just fine. I've never had a problem with Manjaro that much anymore back in the day compared to how it used to be. Now it's just been more of a stable OS and recommended distro over the other distros if you have a very modern or like top of the line gaming computer or whatnot. So that is very nice to see that everything's working just nice. It's using Pac-Man, two different GUI options, Optic and Pac. Nice. It's installing everything as needed. This is really great stuff. Web browser. It will obviously choose Firefox as the main uh, uh browser's choice. What's new? That's really cool. About Firefox, it's using 84 point. Yeah, this is the latest one using Manjaro. I'm gonna see if there's gonna be any delay or like not delay. I mean like screen tearing because I might have to install do the pipeline customization so there won't do any pipeline or any lag or screen tearing. Sorry. Yeah, it's running really nice so far. There's barely any visible screen tearing when scrolling up and down. Usually there is that I've seen so far, but very nice. I'm liking the whole scenario with Manjaro so far. It's really been very sleek so far with this whole installation. So I'm packing some files, which is probably downloading some that's necessary. Very nice. This is that's one thing I like about Manjaro. Is like it just works right out of the box, just straight up out of the box. It works. That's why I like it so much. And it's using they updated the kernel the drivers to run at 455, which is more important because a lot of people are getting the 30 series GPUs eventually, and people who haven't updated their graphics drivers to 455 will have some uh, monitor issues with the 3070 series or yeah, something like that. Something like that, yeah. I'm just yawning, sorry about that. I'm being sidetracked. Yeah, it is looking good that I've seen. Um, let's see. Configuring the hardware already. Look at that. Installing the bootloader. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so this may you might not see the screen for a little bit once when it restarts because it may just go black for a moment. That's the beauty of um I'm gonna just 20.2.1. Was it 20.1? Yeah. Um this is a nice little manual they give you. Manjaro guide. Very nice. Gives you a nice little Manjaro guide. Very, very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. And then the architect, that's just the installer that I have. Okay, restart now. Done. It's gonna ask me to restart. There we go. And it's gonna go boop, and it's gonna ask me for the boot load. There we go. It's gonna ask for the. Oh, looks like something else. Oh dear, oh dear. Looks like we got ourselves on my first grub error. Okay, so I had to boot into the OS directly because the kernel, like the grub thing, is gone. So I would have to um, boot straight into the OS, which is not a problem. I'll do that right now. Manjaro. There it is. Yes. So I need to get rid of that Ubuntu one, the Ubuntu grub. Got to get rid of that because that's what's causing my issue there. So I might just get rid of that grub thing, and bam, there it is, logged right in, straight into it. You might not be able to see it right away, and it should be up in a second for you. There we go. So you guys won't see that right away. You're seeing the alternate display. I'll fix that right for you. Elgato mirror, and then we'll do 144. There we go. Keep this configuration. There we go. Now guys should see um, Dell as the primary. There we go. Apply. Hold on. Mirror. Okay, I want Dell. Okay, Dell is primary. Okay, good to know. and then we're gonna change it to 144. There you go. There we go. Now it's 144. Let's boost it. Nice. Why is the I don't get oh, that's weird. Did you see that? Did you see the little bug on the top of corner there? That was really interesting. This is the kernels. Hmm. Interesting. Applications. Oh, this is really cool. Telling you what to install, like what's installed. Firefox is installed by default. Evolution. What was it called? Why is it that's showing a really weird that there's no other interesting. Okay, is it running the kernel ready? Yes, 455 out of the box. That's what we like to see. Advanced system tools. GNOME disk is installed. Nice. Gparted, LOTAD images. A new multi-boot solution. Create an Arch-based live USB. Oh, I can do that. Very nice. Can make some. Oh yes, this is really nice. Oh, it gives you an options of finding stuff that you really want. That's very nice to see. VLC is installed by default. Photos. Any photos? So viewer is the GIMP is installed. PDF. PDF mod and documents takes written notes. Very nice. Text editors. GNOME Builder, Visual Studio. I can get some Visual Studio. Very nice. Really cool. Office Suites of free Office is installed. Our email client calls and omission. I will install that later. Okay, so updates. Where is it? What's that where's the system for where's the like the settings where I can change the Is it under here? I think it's under here, isn't it not? Yes. Preferences. This is what I need. Advanced official repos, AUR, Snap, Flatpaks are all disabled by default. Very interesting to see. I want to find the I need to find the enable downgrade. Oh, you can downgrade? That's really nice. System's up to date already? Damn, system's already up to date? Okay, what kernel we got here? So running 5.9.16 kernel. Wow, okay, that's pretty new. That's pretty nice. Nice to see that. So everything's up to date. Apparently everything's up to date, ladies and gents. Let's go to internet, Steam. Oh wait, Steam's already installed too? Nice. I want to see something while that's in the process. Web browser. Let's just see something on YouTube. YouTube.com. I want to see it's going to capture the audio for us. So you guys can see the audio just fine. Let's do some random best scene ever. Let's see if that works. No, you guys are not seeing any audio. Okay, so I wonder if I go to audio mix, built-in system audio. Can I do like a virtual outputs? Can I? Oops. I'll just do full screen there. Okay, profile. Can I do like a virtual output. Let's see here. Okay, no, that's not. I want to do like a virtual output. Because, okay, so obviously you can't hear, but I'm trying to figure out if I can get a virtual out for output for my OS. I probably could figure that out with okay, yeah, Steam's right there, perfect. Audio XFCE. Oh, it's already using the control levels. Yeah, so I'm already using that right now. So I'm trying to figure out if I can send out like an virtual audio straight from here to my capture card, but I haven't been able to figure that out. Media players, enable experiment when its own focus. Or an audio mixer. Yeah, that's already there. I wonder if there is a setting that I need to enable just to get the virtual outputs, like I did with Feren OS. But that is for another time. And minimize that. All right, so now I just need to get OBS, maybe. Yeah, this is even OBS. No, OBS is not installed, so we need to get it through the store, right? The store. We got Thunderbird, XChat, add and receive software, and then browse. And how do I? Oh, okay. Here we go. OBS 26 point. Yes, that's what I need. Cool. And it's gonna install apply. This is very nice to see that Manjaro's working right out of the box. Let's change the wallpaper. Where's it? Desktop? Background. Here we go. This is what I'd like to see. Ooh, that's fair. Ooh, wow. A lot of cool little features. Okay, that's installing OBS. It's done. Cool. So that's Manjaro right there. A little bit of that. That's really cool. They have a lot of cool images for Manjaro here. That's the default one that you get. I'm thinking of just getting a custom wall background saying Linux Squad. That'd be really cool. I like that one the most though. Or even this. That looks really cool. Ooh, that's very fancy. Very fancy indeed. That's a nice one too. Manjaro Play. Very nice. So many cool wallpapers. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Damn, these are a lot of beautiful looks for Manjaro. I like that one too. I like that one. I had on my previous installations a while back. Very nice. I like the mountain one the most. Where are you, buddy? That's a cool one. I like that too, actually. That or that. I like that one the most. I'll just keep that. There we go. Let's keep that. Looks very beautiful. I like that. It's really minimal, not too hard on the eyes or anything like that. Okay, OBS has been installed. Browse. I wonder if there's anything. Groups. Python. Repos. Okay. Interesting. Audio. Let me just search audio. Let's see. Audio split up without decoding. Virtualization. Virtualize pulse audio series with project. Music virtually which uses is based on pulse audio. What does this do? I think this is the one I need, right? Maybe for virtualized audio to send it to the send it to my capture card. For Windows, Mac, Steam, demo video. You can't hear this though. Oh, that's just a virtual. I see. That's really nothing. No screen tearing though. Very nice. No screen tearing. Right out the box. No screen tearing. Very nice. I'm liking it already. I just have to fix the audio, the virtual audio. That'll be fixed. And then we should be good with installing Steam, which I have that here right here. And then I'm going to set up some other things later. But it looks like it's working very nicely. And that's the program. I don't know why, but the only distro that I've seen actually does the virtualization of the audio so far, but maybe there's this program or something I can ask the Manjaro community on what I can do to add virtualized audio so I can send that audio simultaneously to my capture card. But usually it would be in configuration. Usually in configuration it will show me like virtualization or multi simultaneously output or something like that. I'm surprised it's not there. Interesting. I thought it would, but you know, hey, what can you do, right? And that's okay. Not a problem. It's not a big issue. Email. Let's see. Get evolution. Evolution. Install evolution. Choose optional dependencies. Highlight, check spam, check. Spam messenger. There we go. It's all that little dudes. I wonder if I can also get DXVK on here. Right? I should get some DXVK installed. Search. Let's search some DXVK. Let's see if that can find anything. Search DXVK. No, it doesn't see it. Oh, so I had to turn on AUR and stuff like that, so it does not see that right off the bat. Let's do Lutris. Scissors Lutris. Lutris. Install that bad boy. Wine support. And DXVK 3D. There it is. Windows support. And there we go. Lutris gets all the DXVK stuff for you, it looks like now. Very nice. It has all the dependencies necessary for wine and all that stuff. Very cool. Very, very cool. Looks like it's oh, it's already installed that quick? Wow, that was fast. All right. All right. All right. Um, let's see if I can get what else is there I can see here. Looks like it's looking nice on the desktop, obviously, and here's my little folder. I like the look of this. It's very nice templates and stuff. Very clear cut network. My sister's MacBook. Interesting that it's actually seeing that network. Oh, because it's obviously Mac is runs under Linux, or like it's designed Unix style of operating system, so obviously it will see it. Interesting. Um, cool, 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 cool. What else? What else we should check out? Games. We got some games in here. Lutris, obviously. I wonder if I get Lutris running. I wonder if I can get try it Fallout New Vegas on GOG, because I bought it on GOG just a few days ago as well, because obviously I like the Fallout series, so I bought it on GOG. So I wonder if installing the Fallout series on GOG will be any different compared to what is on Steam with their extra extended files or whatever they add. So I wonder if that will do anything to help with stability and whatnot with Fallout 3 and Fallout New Vegas. Terminal, we got the terminal right here, Linux Squad. Very nice. Looks really cool. I like the look of that. GOG. Do I have to log in? Wow, it actually. Hold on. Let me just see on my other computer here. GOG. GOG body. GOG. Let's see what's my password. Yeah. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the screen here for a second. Because I don't want you guys seeing my personal email. Just to be safe here. And log in. Or I can, there we go. It's logging in there. Very nice. Boom. Wow, it actually grabs all the games necessary. Wow, look at that, man. Steam. This Lutris is amazing. Look at this. It's so cool. Like, it's grabbing all the games that's necessary. Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas Ultimate Edition. Let's see what happens if I do that. Downloading the game requires you to be logged in and owning the game. Yes, or don't run the game in windowed mode. Instead, just change the resolution. So there's performance, special launch menu, background image instead of the boring blue ground of wine. I wonder if this is gonna be even better than the Steam version. I wonder. I'm gonna try that. Let's see. Under Linux Squad Games, GOG, Fallout New Vegas. Cool. I wonder if that's going to do anything, but I highly doubt it. But we'll see. If I can, I'll try not to use Steam as much as I can. I'll try like GOG and stuff. Download. Please review that needed to install. Fallout Vegas. Or which one is Master Tar? What wallpaper? Please select the files you need to install and press continue. Download. Oh. Oh, it says download. Oh, it's choosing the source to download these. Okay, cool. So it's downloading all the sources needed. That's very cool to see. Already download these. These are pretty quick at downloading, that's for sure. Obviously, the game is not that big, so it's going to go pretty quick. So I'm getting like 50 megs to download. It may go faster depending on if I change my region. So I'll fix that as well later. But so far, so good. No problem. Discharging is at 55% already. Very nice. My mouse. The speed mouse. So if I can see if I can do mouse and touchpad stuff. Right-handed sensitivity, behavior, theme. Is also there. It is not. There's no boost, which is nice. Like the weird like in some windows where like the whatever you call it, I can't remember, like in the settings in Windows where you can change it so it's not sticky or something. I can't remember the name, but it's there. That it's running nicely. It's downloading all the necessary files. I wonder if it's going to install the DLL too. I wonder if it is. If it isn't, then I'll just put it the DLL right away. This is Thunderbird. I don't know why, but I feel like Thunderbird is a bad choice. Office Evolution. That sounds a little bit better. Looks a little better. I don't know why, but I like Evolution because it's part of the operating system. You store them in home. Yes, it's only one prefix. Cool. It's installing unnecessary files, configuring everything. It's running more smoothly than I want to make sure the chat is also visible. It's also running smoothly compared to what it is with compared to what Steam does, or like the what's it called? Um, on Feren OS, this is much smoother than Feren OS. It was more laggy on Feren OS than I've seen so far. I would have to get the um, yeah, I had to how turn on what's it called? There's a microphone mixed with microphone, voice meter client for Linux. Let's see. Let's see. Volume 2, advanced audio mixer completely replaces standard volume control. VB. It says I already have VB audio. Open source, supports Windows 10. Oh dear, this does not show. Interesting that it's not. Okay, so it's installing all the voices and stuff necessary, extracting. Very good. I'm just looking for where I can find some audio. For example, audio's loopback. Here we go. Slotion, draw like a micro Chrome input. The dig and phone Chrome output. Well, that seems really complicated. Oh, here we go. Simultaneously outputs. Okay. How to enable pref requires giving links commands sudo Manjaro. Okay. Let's see here. Sudo pack man s pre prefs. We just you receive the usual lecture. The local system usually boils down to the things. Power comes great responsibility. There we go. And then you want you can edit yourself. Choose it since you probably won't use it often. Just command line. Okay. Ooh, hello. Here we go. Let's see if this is gonna work now. Add virtual files for an all local sound cards. Yes. Okay. Simultaneous outputs. Playback. Okay. Advanced. Okay, multicast. Network. Make discoverable pulse audio. Oh, that's a very nice to have. Discoverable pulse audio network sound devices available locally. Network access. Very nice to see. Close that. Okay, that's cool. It sees that at least. Okay, set that to high. None. Advanced. I'm going to turn off, leave everything how it is. So what does it say now? Configure the all downs the video settings and exit the launcher. Don't forget to set your native resolution. Okay. And then ultra 8. Okay, and then data files. Let's get all that in there. And then, okay, and then what does it say? And then exit the launcher. Exit. There we go. Cool. All right. That's done. Cool. Installing that. Create desktop shortcut. And then launch. Let's see what happens. Launch directly. Let's do 3. Okay. Now you can hear the audio and everything. Hell yeah, dudes. Sweet. It's working nicely. Okay. Off. Data files are already good. Let's play. Audio working. Let's hope, ladies and gents. Hopefully this audio is working just fine. Okay, it's continuing. There's no game, obviously. Let's see if it works. No, it does not work. So you guys can't hear the audio right off the bat. Interesting. Okay, so the game works. Yeah, the game works. I need to open this up though. So next time, audio mixer, playback. So let's play. All right, so I need to with 4. Maybe I'll try with 4. NEP to continue. Can I boss EXC? Okay. Start launcher, start with default. And it crashes. Interesting. So it crashes because I force quit it, I think. That's what happened, I think. That's what happened. Okay. Looks like it's working now. No game found. Okay, good. You can hear the audio and everything. Perfect. Okay, so now I got the got it to work. Yes. Very nice. Very cool. So audio works just fine. Smooth, smooth. Very nice, guys. We got ourselves some Fallout New Vegas
You're
working.
awake. How about that? Whoa, easy there, easy. You've been out cold a couple of days now.
Oh, audio's...
Why don't you just relax a second? Get your bearings. Let's see what the damage is. How about your name? Can you tell me your name?
Do you notice that the audio's delayed when he speaks? To LS.
I can't say it's what I'd have picked for you, but if that's your name, that's your name.
You know it's
I'm
a little
Doc Mitchell.
delayed?
Welcome to Good Springs. Now, I hope you don't mind.
I don't know if it's
but I
delayed,
had
like
to go
the
rooting
syncing,
around
the
here in
lip
your
sync.
noggin to pull all the bits of lead out. I take pride
I
in
think
my
the
needlework.
lip syncing is delayed.
You'd better tell me if I left anything out of place.
A little bit. It's like the
How'd
lip
that do?
Lip syncing is a bit rough. Hair color. I'm gonna keep the hair. I'll just do that. Done. Yes.
Well, I got most of it right anyway. Stuff that mattered. Okay.
Ah,
No
it's actually
sense
not
keeping
bad.
you
The
in
audio
bed
lip sync
anymore.
is not that bad.
Let's see if we can get you on your feet. Good. Why don't you walk down to the end of the room? Over by that vigor tester machine there.
See, the audio
Take it
sync.
slow now. It ain't a race.
Okay, so the audio's not synced properly. Hold on, I'm gonna save this. Okay. The audio's not synced. I'll fix that later. But it works nicely. Okay, cool. So that game's installed nicely. Oh, it's crashed already. Game crashed. Terminate. There we go. Limp syncing. I'll fix that later. So Steam, I can close Steam out, to be honest. I don't need Steam on right now. Yeah, so I'll have to fix the audio lip syncing issue. But other than that, it seems like everything's working just fine. Any other programs you guys recommend? Please comment below what I should do because it looks like it's working just fine so far without besides the lip syncing. Next you should make the honoring the new setting to do this by restarting it by killing the process instance. Depending on your distribution config, pulse miner will respawn. If not, you'll need to restart the daemon. Next thing you should be sure by doing it by restarting it. Okay, let's pulse audio. Let's just pulse. Oops. Pulse audio. Okay. And then D. Pulse may automatically respawn. If not, let's see here. Web browser. Let's do YouTube here. Let's see if the audio respawns or not. If not, then I will just restart it. Okay, let's go to control here. Playback. Simultaneous.
It's on the Peloton app.
Okay, he can hear it now. Cool. So it's working. Yeah, it's working. Cool. No audio desync, nothing. Very nice.
Or ladies only.
There. Cool. It's working. All right, so I don't have to worry about that then. Anything else I need to do about that? If not, conclusion. Plasma, you can find yourself with settings. Probably either sound preference or some sort. Yeah. In that case, output time you'll be able to choose simultaneous output too. Yep. Perfect. Fantastic, dudes. I got prefers to set up audio simultaneously. Output, very nice. I love the close tab, very nice. I like controls it. One application finder. Okay, that's F2, Alt F3. Oh, that's really cool. You can do that. Closes all of that. Very nice. All right. Okay, cool. Everything works.
Oh, well, it's not all for me.
Yeah, it's working. Cool. All right. I got that to work nicely, right? We got ourselves a fantastic Linux distro here. Games are working nice. Pulse audio, VLC, listen to music, OBS Studio. We got OBS Studio right here. We don't have to worry about that. So it's running 26.0.23 Nice. Okay, is there any graphical settings that it's not using? Oh, so it's still using the old NVENC codec. Okay, old one. Okay, cool. Very cool. Nice. I like that. Anything else do we need to worry about? It's using Gparted. Gparted is up to date. Really smooth. It's getting all the partitions necessary. Yeah, NVMe right there. Cool. Everything's good. Nice. Very nice. This is awesome. Time shift. I should really set up time shift. Next. And save it on the 480 disk. Next. A daily. No, let's do weekly. Keep 3. Yeah, has enough. If it has enough, yeah. I'm gonna do weekly. Root home Linux squad. Next. Finish. All right, so let's create a new snapshot. Let's create a new snapshot. So it's creating a snapshot of what we have right now, which is nice. Very important when creating a Linux distro. So when you install the stuff you want, do a snapshot. So if there is ever an issue, it will be it will be fixed. Or like if there's a problem, you just do restore from a snapshot, which is nice to see. Very awesome. Very, very cool that it's working. I got the audio working to my capture card, which is really cool to see that they added the I can add the preference there. Nice. Hardware topology, HTOP, so much RAM it's using right now. Only 1 gig? It's only using 1 gig out of 32. Wow, this operating system is really freaking light. This like Manjaro is a light, people. It's light. Wow, dudes, this is insane. Like it's 1 gig. When I was when I was checking out Garuda Linux, it was using around like 15 or like 12 gigs of memory just in the main desktop and stuff. She's using around almost 12 gigs or even 8 gigs to be honest. Um, so yeah, that's insane. Use about 1 gig. That's pretty awesome for an operating system like this. Excuse me. Jeez. Okay, we got a snapshot right there. Cool. Very nice. We have a snapshot done. Very cool indeed. Customize the appearance, desktop background display, firewall settings, status on, home settings. There we go. Very cool. It's turned on. Cool. Firewall is turned on. Manjaro, hello. Sensor viewer. This is for the graphics card, isn't it? Or this is the CPU? I can't tell. I think this is GPU, I think. Virtual device. Interesting. Show. Temp. That's cool. So it's only like 50C. Nice. So that works nicely. Games, Lutris. Okay, let's see if, Game of the Year edition. Let's see if this runs right off the bat as well. Let's see if this installs really nicely. If there's a delay with the audio, like the audio lip syncing issue, but it shouldn't be. I can always fix it through the settings later, but looks like everything's installing nicely. That's what I like to see. That's pretty awesome. I feel like installing this on GOG is so much GOG stuff is so much simpler than it is on Steam version. The Steam version seems more complicated and more annoying than the GOG version. It looks like it's just so simple, just downloading what's needed and it installs everything for you, the DLL and stuff, which is nice. It installs a DLL. Pretty awesome. So let's actually change. I want to change the properties of the time zone. I want to change it to 3:36, which is not the right time. GMT. Where are you, GMT? Mountain time. European. GMT. General Mountain Time. Daylight savings. Um, Canada Mountain. That's what I need. There we go. Yes, set them at home. Yes. Close. I don't know why it's not showing the right time. It's actually not showing the right time. Custom format. Still showing. Interesting. It's only showing analog, binary, digital, fuzzy, LCD. Oh, that's really cool. LCD, I like that. Mountain. Why is it not updating the... Why is it not updating the mountain one? I don't get it. Okay, well. It's not updating the time. I might have to just restart it. I think that will fix it, right? I hope. I think that's what will fix the problem, but we'll see. So that's installing just fine. Computer. Oh, it tells you it's discharging. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to take out the audio mixer, playback, output. Once when it's installed, I'll turn it to the simultaneous so we can... Yeah, it's going to stay there, locked together. I like how that it stays there, the simultaneous stuff. Very nice. Extraction the game files. A lot of game files is necessary. Interesting. Okay. What else we need to do here? Anything else you guys suggest I should install? Anything else that's required? XChat is working nicely. Linux Squad, that's free now. That kind of stuff. That's really cool. I should make a hex channel. Let me know, guys, if you guys are interested in me creating a hex channel for all of us. Let me know. I'm curious. It would be really cool to see, to have actually. VLC. What version is VLC at? About 3.0. Okay, cool. Very cool. Okay, very, very nice. Burn CDs, Penguin, accessories, bulk rename multiple files. Well, that's really cool to see. That's nice. Clipboard manager, very nice. HP device, menu editor, cool. Screenshot, software tokens. Oh, that's really nice. Task manager. Nice little task manager telling how much memory is being used and how much processing power is being used. Very hell yeah. I like that. I'm liking this whole system setup. Pulse audio settings, yes. This is gonna take a while. It's getting all the DLC also installed. Getting all the DLCs. Interesting. Oh yeah, I should get can I get... I wonder if I can even get Saints Row 2 installed. Lutris. I have to get might have to get Steam reload because oh yeah, I need to sync it up. I see. Runners, Steam. Stop seeing after game exits. Start seeing in big picture. Disable stream runtime and use native libraries. Oh, that's really cool to see. Lutris. Disable Lutris runtime. Cool. Windows version, GOG. Very cool. So follow intro Vaskbisk is being installed. I want to get Steam installed. I will do that after. Like I'll run Steam after because then we can not worry about um why is it not letting me? It's not letting me edit like the. Oh, here we go. Get rid of the reflections. Okay. Okay, the clock needs to be fixed, I think. I need to restart for the clock. Okay, launch. Start directly. And it crashes already. There we go. And it's working. Cool.
Let's see.
Are you a boy or a girl? Girl.
It's a girl? A girl! We've got a daughter, Catherine. A
Yeah.
beautiful, healthy baby girl.
It's working. Alright, so that works just fine. Fantastic. Alright, so that works. Hell yeah, I'm really happy for everything's working just nicely. Very nice. Oh yeah. So that is Manjaro in a nutshell, working flawlessly. I just had to do a little system terminal setting to set up the audio simultaneously, so I can sync up audio with my headset and the capture card at the same time, which is awesome. So that's more important, right? That's very important. And yeah, we got ourselves a Linux distro that runs way better than Feren OS. I feel like it feels like it's running more smoother, more snappier than Feren. Not as clunky. It feels like no, I'm not saying that Feren OS was a bad OS. It's just there was always audio issues, like audio settings. I would have to always re-enable the simultaneous stuff. I could have just did the terminal and forced it on the terminal, I guess, in the terminal and force it to keep it there. But hey, it's working just fine now, right? So I'm quite happy with that. So I think that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. This is me checking out Manjaro 20.2.1 or something like the latest version of Manjaro. Um, and it's running as flawlessly as it ever was. I've never seen this operating system be so smooth ever in my entire life. It's yeah, 20.2.1. It's so smooth. I highly recommend this distro for all new Linux users or advanced users of Linux. It's a great freaking distro. It works so well. It works right out of the box. It has the latest graphics drivers. It gets make sure everything's installed for you right off the bat. Very nice, snappy. I got even my games to work with GOG. It's very nice. It's running very smooth. I might have to edit some files like to fix the could it be async? I wonder if it's async. I wonder. Yeah, I want to try that, but I highly doubt it. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Let's see. Let's see this. I'm gonna give it one shot. I'm gonna turn on and get the audio back just in case if we need it. But I highly doubt it. But you never know. I'm gonna try this one time before I call it quits for you guys. Directly 3. Let's see if this causes any issues or not. Yep, it automatically hears the audio for me. So oh, that's so good. So I don't have to constantly change the simultaneous. Let's see here.
Ooh, looking good so far. Go ahead and give the
Yeah,
vision
it's still
tester a
limp
try.
syncing. The limp sync.
We'll learn right quick if you got back all your
Yeah.
faculty.
So it's the syncing issue, audio syncing. So I have to fix that in the GOG version. I'll fix that off screen and stuff. Obviously, it's crashing, so it's not working properly. Terminate. There we go. Winning program. Okay, I had to fix that limp syncing issue, but that's for another time. Anyways, thanks again for watching, everyone. I will see you guys next time, and then updated videos and what's going on, like some more Fallout New Vegas, some Fallout 3, maybe some Vampire the Masquerade gameplay, that kind of stuff on Linux, and maybe some other Windows games on Linux. I'll try to get some games running on there, and maybe try to get some Cyberpunk, maybe to try some Cyberpunk, maybe, but we will see if that's even going to work. And I will see you all next time. Thanks again for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me what you guys think of Manjaro, or what's your favorite distro currently and why you use it. And yeah, I would love to keep in touch with you all and see what you guys are up to this year. Take care.